Redefining content creation. This is one of the most exciting feature of AI. In this module, we are diving into the exciting world of AI-powered content creation. Get ready to discover how artificial intelligence can revolutionize your way to brainstorm ideas, to craft compelling content, and even create stunning visuals. So, what is the content creation challenge that all of us as content creators or business owners or marketers face? A lot of times we stare at a blank screen, or we are looking for that perfect headline or that perfect ad copy or the website copy. We face all of these challenges, right? So, the endless searches for the perfect headline, the struggle to create content that truly captivates our audience. But what if I say there's a way to overcome these challenges and unlock your full creative potential? And that's exactly where AI comes to the rescue. Artificial intelligence is not here to replace you, but to empower you. You need to understand this. You cannot be replacing yourself with the AI generated content, but you can use AI to empower you. So it's like Sawan Kumar powered by AI. But the Sawan Kumar thing is the base, has to be there. It's like having a creative partner who is always brimming with ideas, ready to help you structure your thoughts, and is capable of generating content in a fraction of seconds. Now, generating ideas and outlines. How do we do that? Let's start the ideation phase. ChatGPT can be a brainstorming buddy for this. Need ideas for blog posts, video scripts, or social media campaigns? Just ask. It can even help you outline your content, providing a structured framework to guide your writing. With AI, you will never ever face a blank page again. I have not faced a blank page syndrome that all of us creators have had at some point of time. Ever since I have AI, I haven't faced that again. I used to think of that I would start creating content, but then because of lack of ideas or because of lack of understanding of where to start, I just left it. But now things have changed. Crafting engaging content. Once you have your outline using ChatGPT, AI tools like ChatGPT, Descript, Agent, Simplified, and Compose AI can help you bring your ideas to life. They can write compelling copy, edit your audio and video content, generate captions, and even create AI-powered avatars to present your material. Well, they might not be the best and the most perfect thing right now, but they are evolving, and they're evolving really fast. With AI as your co-pilot, you can create content that's not just informative, but engaging, persuasive, and shareable. You can also do visual content creation. I'm sure you must be aware of this. But content creation isn't just about words, right? Visuals play a crucial role in capturing attention and conveying your message. AI tools like Midjourney and InVideo can help you create stunning images and videos without needing any design skills. You see some of these images? They're all created using Midjourney. With AI, you can elevate your content to a whole new level, making it visually appealing and unforgettable. For small businesses to major brands, people are already using AI to supercharge their content creation efforts. The future of content creation is here. It's like a sci-fi movie. The future is now, and it's powered by AI. Embrace these tools, experiments, and discover how you can or how they can amplify your voice, streamline your workflow, and help you connect with your audience in new and exciting ways. The possibilities are endless.